So you've heard of fried green tomatoes. These are just going to be fried red and whatever color we want tomatoes, okay?
You can get beautiful green tomatoes though this time of year.
Absolutely.
Sure.
And there's just a great seasonal food as well, especially in the summer months.
Salt, pepper, and tomatoes. We're going to bread them. The standard breading, flour,
Just flour?
egg,
Oh, egg.
okay? Flour,
Some panko crumbs?
egg.
Tomatoes have a great source of folate as well, which is important for pregnant moms. It helps to support, it helps to develop the baby's spinal cord and helps prevent any abnormalities there. So something we do stress with our moms, especially when you're considering even trying to get pregnant. That's a great supplement to have.
Okay.
So it's always important to keep them in the kitchen, to
Exactly.
always have them available.
They
So when
seem-
can you
let them
add
go
tomatoes to your baby's diet?
So we usually like to wait until at least 10 or 12 months to have them to have their palate developed with other foods. When you introduce a new food, you want to stick with that one ingredient for a couple of days, 2 to 3 days. Make sure they don't have any major reactions.
And can they eat the tomato raw? Does it have to
Absolutely
be cooked?
no. You can go raw, you can have it cooked, you can hide it in the pasta.
Okay, like I
And
said,